In a world where vampires roam,
Look at that hair. Why does it always look the best when it needs to be washed? Tomorrow is wash day, which means the day before, I like to do something crazy because if I mess it up, then it doesn't really matter, I'm gonna wash it the next day anyway. I was inspired by the Twilight series. Midnight Sun just came out. It's en route to my house. I'm waiting as patiently as I can. Somehow, that's not enough. I want the book yesterday. So I'm going to straighten my hair. I have not straightened my hair in so long. I generally don't like to just because my hair is already dyed and I don't want to add to the further damage that I'm doing to my hair. Luckily today I will be using some clip-ins, some really old clip-ins that I've had for forever. This way I won't need to straighten my whole head. So I thought it would be cool to do like a little vampire look. There's not enough black vampires in movies and books. I might try and be a little Rosalie because she's the one with the blonde hair. I was actually gonna buy a U-part wig because I would like some straight blonde hair, but then I was like, I have clip-ins that match my hair so nicely. Why don't I just put them in, and then I can put them in any shape I like. But I don't think this is gonna be enough for my whole head. So I think I'm gonna have to pull from my other set of clips and straighten some of these too. These clip-ins are from Better Length Hair, and I've never straightened them before, and I haven't seen any videos of anyone straightening them, so I'm a little nervous. Does anyone else put their straightener up to their lip to see if it's hot? This is gonna take longer than I thought. I'll be back. I did the best I could, and I did that for a long, long time. And this is what I got. This hair is indestructible. It's not even completely straight. I cannot get it straight for the life of me. I went from this to this. I want a very sleek look. I'm trying to get these as straight as this. I don't think that's gonna happen today. This might be a fail. I managed to straighten these two pieces. And after that, my arms were like, pack it up, let's go. We're just gonna try and work with what we have. I'll try and position these in a way that it's like not showing as much as the other ones. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my hair. straightened. Now it's time to put the clips in. Yeah, so I'm going to use the more curly ones at the back and the bottom. Oh boy, I'm getting very, very nervous. There's not enough hair. Oh my god, who is she? It's raining now, as usual. I went to check the back and it's not perfect, but I think this is as good as it's gonna get.
You will be terrified. Viewer discretion is advised.
It is so hard to take myself seriously when this hair is so messed up on so many levels. This was more of a struggle than I thought it would be. Overall, I'd give myself a C. I think I really got the makeup down, but I didn't even record that. The hair was the whole point of this thing. First, the straight clip-ins that I had were so thin, it was like creating gaps in the back of my head. And then the curly clip-ins that I tried to straighten, yeah, there's no way. They do not straighten well. I don't know if it's because it's so humid down here. I feel like in the time that I put them in and the time that I'm holding them right now, they've gotten a lot curlier. But that would make sense because when I finished my hair and like I went to go take the thumbnail photo, from the time it took me to finish, move the lights and the tripod, my hair was already so frizzy. That's crazy. Overall, I'd give myself a C. Maybe I'll change it to a C minus. This was a fail for sure.